So in the last video, we passed a new instance of our console printer class to a greet method. Now, as I told you, sometimes we don't want to explicitly create a class to implement an interface. Perhaps we want to implement an interface only once and use it for a single purpose. We don't want to reuse that class. So that's where we use anonymous inner classes. So instead of creating a new instance of the console printer class, here we can type new printer. So we type the name of the interface and press enter. What we have here is called an anonymous inner class. It's anonymous because this class doesn't have a name. It's just an implementation. And we call it an inner class because we're using this inside a method, okay? So in this class, we're implementing the print method. Here we can use a print statement to print this message. Now, when we run this program, we get the exact same result. So this is how we can use an anonymous inner class. With anonymous inner classes, we can achieve the same result by writing less code. But Java 8 introduced a better and more concise way to achieve the same result. That's called a lambda expression, and we're going to look at that next.